Hello guys, welcome again to this lesson. Now in the last lesson we discussed about links and path, all about links. This is what we did on last video. If you haven't watched that video, please watch it. I'll put the link in the description below. Now in this video, let's continue. I promise that we will talk about, this target attribute. So to do it better, you know what I want us to do? Let's just get rid of all this since we have already worked with them. Get rid of all this. And now, I think let's also get rid of this. We have to use iframe in order for us to better understand this concept. So you can, especially this, to explain this one. Now, let's use an iframe. We haven't talked about iframe, but we will talk about it on the upcoming video. Now, let's just say here, here's the source. We already know what this one does, the source. And here, hold on. So as I was saying, here's the source. Now let's get a height for this frame. Let's say 600, and the width, let's just say it's 900. And the source, let's say link1.html. Now we haven't created this page yet. Let's just put it like this. Link1.html. Let's save it. Now what I want you to do, hold on. Let's just copy all this and open a new page and paste. And let's save. Control S, and here link 1. Let's create link 1. Let's okay, it's already saving as HTML. Link 1. Now here on link 1, what we are going to do, let's change this one to link 2, and the height, let's say 500, and the width, let's say 700, right? And we save. Now let's copy all this again, and let's come here again, new file, and paste. Now on this last one, we are going to call this last one as let's just say home or something like that. Now link 1, okay, this is link 2. Link 1, link 2, yeah, link 2, save, link 2, right? Now on link 2, we just want to get rid of all this iframe, and what we are going to do on link 2, let's create the link tag here, and what we have to link to, let's say we link to our favorite sites, https://www.helpmail.com, right? And here click and the target, let's say here, this one, let's say self. Excuse me, what is going on? Okay, self. Oh my god, okay, the caps is on the self. Now let's copy, copy, paste here, and here let's just paste it like one more time. Instead of self here, let's just say here's a parent, and this one, let's say top, right? That's the target attribute we want to work with. So on link to, okay, link to 1, and 1 link to 2. So just look at the code again, just to get a copy. If you can pause this video and write the code. Here is this. This is the link 1, and link 1 link to link 2, and link 2 is the one that has all the links. So now what we have to do for us to better understand this, we'll refresh. Come here, refresh. Now, as you can see, let me get rid of this. Link 2. Okay. Okay. As you can see, we have 3 different section windows here. We have this one, this one, and this one. This one is the main window. This one is the second. This one is the last. Now this here is the parent of this. This here, this box you're seeing, this is the parent of this. This is the child. This is the child. This is the parent. The same as this one is the child. This is the parent. So that's how it works. So here we have self. Now let's see the way the self works. So let's come here and refresh. So we are going to work with the self, right? Let's see how it works. Self, we click. Let's click and see what it does. As you can see, it's opening the Help Me website just on its own self, like this. The border does on its own, like self, just open on its own self. That's what it means. You see, it's open just on within itself. So that's what this self target does. It's open on the current window. You understand? Let's press on the parent, the next one, the parent, right? For the parent, you know, as I told you, this is the child, this one is the parent. And let's go back again, refresh. This is the child, this is the parent. Now it will open here. You already know it will open here because this is the parent. It's open. You see, it took over. Now instead of opening just on itself, it's open on the parent window. So as you can see, so that's how this one operates, the parent. Now let's work with the last one, the top. You know, the top. Here, let's come back here again. Work with the top. Now this top supposed to take over all. You know, it will open and go on top of everything. That's what it means. We go on top of all the window. Let's see. Let's click on the top. As you can see, it took over. Oh, sorry. Let's see. You see, it just went on top of everything. You can see. And the last one, I forgot to put it here. The last one is the blank. We have already worked with it before, but just for us to remember, this is it, the blank. So if we refresh, I presume we already know what it does, the blank. Let's click. You see, it will open the link on a new tab. You see, so that's how this links and target works. It's essential that you know this ones, right? Now quickly let's run down, and now do you know that on the link you can also, in between here, you can also put an image. Now let's, so you understand, let me break out right here, image, so you understand. Let's say we want to link to help me this help me out. It's png and me o.png, right? Save. So you can see you can also use an image as a link also. Now you so you're not only limited to text. So we save, you can see when you click it, it will just apply to the same as the text, as you can see. So you can use image too. Now the other thing I also want us to talk about is the file directories. It's a very essential in programming, but file directory. Now you can see this one is easier. We just use helpme.png because the image is on the same directories as the page. What if this one is on a subfolder? Let's say what I'm saying. Let's create a new folder. Let's say img, and let's put this image here. So now let's come here. Let's refresh. As you can see, the image is no longer there. In order for you, if you don't want this to appear, you want something, this is where this alts come handy. I will just say help me logo. So in case like it doesn't find it, it will display this help me logo. So you see, so that's what it will do. So but this now is inside here. You know why it did not display? Because it's look here, it did not see it, so it doesn't know how to come here. In order for you to go there, you have to put the file path. You say img. Since it's inside this folder, the img, put the img, just put img slash and you save. Now if we come here, we refresh, you will see it appears. So it's the same way. Let's say if this is on another subfolder, again you just put another img. Let's say, okay, let me do it so you understand. Let's say we have another img here, img. Let's see, let's add an s instead of img here. Now you see it's another inside. Now there's a it's inside this folder and there's inside this another folder again. Now if you do it, it will not see. If you refresh here, you see it will not see the image. In order for you to get there, you have to put another img and s, the folder. Then you save. And if you do it, you will see it appears. But let's say if this image is outside this folder, what I'm saying, let's just cut this out. Let's put it right here. Let's say if it's outside here, right? Now here's the folder where all our files are, but the image is outside. In order for you to locate there, what you have to do, you need to put a double dot 1 2 and slash, right? And you save. As you can see, it appears, now as you can see, it appears because we have already put it here. So we said this means go one step upper. That's what it means, go one step upper. If it's 2 step, you just put another like this, and it will go 2 step upper. So that's I think we have already exhausted all the topics or what we need to discuss on. I hope you understand. You now have a thorough understanding of how all this works. This the parent, the top, the self, the blank. So that'll be all it for this video, and thank you for staying with me, and I hope you learned something. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share, comment below, and thank you for watching. Stay blessed.